Meaning of imprisonment.
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 Imprisonment. The term imprisonment refers to the act of confining someone in a jail or prison as a legal punishment. This punishment is usually imposed on individuals who are found guilty of committing crimes, such as murder, theft, or fraud. The result of imprisonment is that the convicted individual loses their freedom and is isolated from the rest of society for a specified period of time. During this time, the individual may undergo rehabilitation programs to help them reform and prepare for reintegration into society upon release. However, imprisonment can also have negative effects on an individual's mental and physical health, as well as their social and economic status.